Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by choosing the Only Way GPS tracker designed for bikes and theft prevention. The unit weighs 120 grams and measures 85 millimeters by 45 millimeters. Mount it under the seat or inside a frame tube using included 3-5-inch bracket. Charge fully for 6 hours before initial use to reach 72-hour standby battery life. Insert an active SIM card with data and SMS enabled for real-time updates. Set the update interval to 10 seconds for tracking and 60 seconds. Install the Only Way Companion app on your phone and create a secured account with strong password. Pair the tracker by scanning its QR code or entering the device ID manually. Configure a geofence with a radius of 50 meters to receive instant exit and entry notifications. Enable vibration and movement alerts to detect tampering within 3 seconds of disturbance. Set SOS number and 2 emergency contacts for immediate SMS and call alerts. Share read-only tracking with friends using a secure link. Daily check the app for location accuracy and battery percentage before every ride. Keep firmware updated to latest release to improve performance and security patches. Clean the tracker housing with a damp cloth and avoid high-pressure water despite IP67 rating for safety. If your bike is stolen, mark device as stolen in app to activate loud alarm and continuous 1-second updates. Contact local police with live location link and provide device ID and recent route history. Replace SIM if signal drops below 2 bars consistently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.